Good afternoon, my student. How are you today? Okay, for me, I'm fine. Today I have one lesson. Okay, before going into our topic, so let you read the date all together. Okay, today is Wednesday, March 24, 2021. So what is the topic, everyone? Can you guess? Okay, let's say all together. Okay, can you read? Okay, I will read for you. Phonics, phonics, sh, phonics, sh. Repeat after me. Phonics, sh. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, everyone, what is the sound of letter S? Can you make the sound of letter S? Okay, I will do for you. S. Very good. What is the sound of letter H? H. Okay, repeat after me. H. Very good. If we combine the two sounds together, how do we make the sound of SH? Okay, I will do for you first. Okay, SH. Sh, sh, sh. Again, SH. Sh, sh, sh. Okay, can you make the sound of SH all together, everyone? Okay, I will show the picture for you. Here, you can do this for the sound of SH. Okay, now let's do all together. Sh, sh, sh. Again, sh, sh, sh. Very good. Okay, how about the words that start with SH? Okay, can you guess what word is it? Okay, the first word is 1, 2, 3. Okay, what word is it, everyone? Shark. Okay, repeat after me. Shark, shark, shark. What does it mean, shark, everyone? Can you guess? Do you want to see the picture? Okay, count for me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is it, everyone? Shark. It is shark. Shark is a kind of fish that live in the sea and eats small fish or meat as a food. So in Khmer, what is it? 1, 2, 3. Okay, shark means that ត្រីឆ្លាម អញ្ចឹងត្រីឆ្លាមវារស់នៅណាកូន នៅក្នុងសមុទ្រ ហើយវាញ៉ាំអីជាអាហារ អញ្ចឹងវាចូលចិត្តអីគេ សាច់ស្រស់ឬក៏ត្រីតូចៗជាងវាចា Okay, let's move to the next word. Okay, can you read this word? What is it? Shake, hand. Okay, shake, hand. Repeat after me. Shake, hand. Shake, hand. What does it mean, shake hand? Okay, let's see the picture together. Yes, shake hand. This is we call shake hand. In Khmer, what is it? Yes, ចាប់ដៃ អញ្ចឹង shake hand មានន័យថាចាប់ដៃ Okay, let's move to the next word. What is it? Share. Okay, share. Repeat after me, everyone. Share, share, share. What does it mean, share? Share. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is share. Do you see the boy share his ice cream to the girl? Yes, this picture we call share. Share មានន័យថាម៉េចកូន ចែករំលែក Very good. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, what word is it, everyone? Can you guess? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Can you read this? Shoes, shoes. Repeat after me. Shoes, shoes. What does it mean, shoes, in Khmer? Do you want to see the picture? Okay. Okay, now count for me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is it, everyone? Shoes. Very good. It is shoes. They are shoes okay in Khmer what is it shoes មានន័យថាស្បែកជើង Let's move to the next word what is it everyone okay can you read shop repeat after me shop what does it mean shop can you see the picture okay these are called shop these are shop shop មានន័យថាម៉េចកូននេះណែមានន័យថាហាងអញ្ចឹង shop មានន័យថាហាងកូនមើលមានហាងអីខ្លះមានហាង pizza pet shop books game or fast food okay so shop មានន័យថាហាង let's move to the next is what word is it everyone can you read shirt okay do you know shirt mean everyone okay shirt means that do you want to know everyone okay please count 1 2 3 yes okay what picture is it what is it everyone shirt very good this is shirt មានន័យថាម៉េចកូនមានន័យថាអាវ so shirt មានន័យថាអាវ very good let's move to the next okay do you want to know what is the next word okay can you guess now I saw it for you okay what word is it everyone have you learned this word yes absolutely yes this is shape repeat after me please shape what does it mean shape here circle triangle rectangle square heart we call shape these are called shape okay shape មានន័យថាម៉េចកូន okay នេះមានន័យថារូបរាងតោះឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលពាក្យបន្ទាប់ទៀត let's move to the next word what word is it everyone okay sheep can you read after me sheep what does it mean sheep I may tell you that sheep is a very big boat on the sea okay let's see the picture here we call ship okay ship ប្រែថាអីកូនចាគឺមានន័យថាកប៉ាល់កូនធ្លាប់ជិះកប៉ាល់អត់ហើយធ្លាប់ជិះទៅណាកូនសប្បាយទេអូខេតោះ let's move to the next word what word is it everyone okay I will read for you what word is it she repeat after me she okay what does it mean she let's see the picture 1 2 3 yes is a girl or boy yes this is a girl so girl is she នាងនៅពេលដែលកូនមិនចង់និយាយឈ្មោះនារីម្នាក់ណាដដែលកូនអាចជំនួសដោយពាក្យនាងអញ្ចឹងជាអង់គ្លេសគេថា she ប្រែថានាងតោះឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលពាក្យថ្មី let's move to the next word okay what word is it everyone okay read all together sheep what does it mean sheep okay let's see what is it everyone it's kind of animal that have a lot of fur right yes so sheep is ជាមជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសគេថាអីកូន sheep កូនស្គាល់ជាមអត់កូនជាមស្រដៀងទៅនឹងពពែប៉ុន្តែវាអត់មានអីគេកូនអត់មានស្នែងទេហើយគេចិញ្ចឹមជាមដើម្បីអីកូនដើម្បីយករោមវាទៅធ្វើជាសម្លៀកបំពាក់ឬក៏ភួយដណ្ដប់ Okay, so now that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Goodbye, my student.